Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the Dark and Stormy. Now, I found this through a barcraft Bible made by somebody that I'm not entirely sure. My other parents, my other mother and father, gifted this to me, and I am very thankful for it because I really want to try this out. About a week ago, and what I read for rum is dark rum, and the only dark rum I had was Kraken at the time. Turns out you only need 2 ounces of rum. It doesn't matter what type of rum you use whatever rum you like. You need ginger beer, which I have some ginger beer here, ginger beer, and you need a lime wedge, but unfortunately I'm not smart enough to pick up limes and make a wedge out of it, so we're going to use some lime juice, and I think it's supposed to be, you know, a little bit like a squeeze of the lime wedge and get the juices from it, and that's what you have. So I'm going to make something without the lime wedge. We're going to use lime juice instead. It's pretty simple. You need a highball glass from what it says. This is not specifically a highball glass, but that's perfectly fine because I've made it before and it'll work just fine. I'm going to put this book up here and probably forget about it for about a week and a half, and we'll go from there. So what you're going to need is about, okay, I already explained everything. Basically, Kraken, that's what I'm using. I'm using ginger beer and lime juice. What you're going to need is 2 ounces of your rum that you're going to use. I recommend Kraken because this is actually pretty good with Kraken, surprisingly. So I got my 2 ounces of Kraken right here, as you can see, pouring into our container with ice in it. Now, it says a squeeze of lime juice. I'm going to pick between 2 to 4 drops of our lime juice, and the one I choose was about 4 drops roughly. And don't follow what I was just doing in the video here because that's not exactly what I was doing. It's about 4 drops roughly. Now we're going to open our ginger beer, if I remember how to do this because I don't open these things. 4 ounce, I don't know. We'll just dump it in there, and you know, we'll just dump the whole fucking thing in there. It'll be perfectly fine, probably. Do not dump your jigger, and we're gonna stir. After you stirred long enough that you figure it is probably longer than you probably should have, go ahead and take a sip out of it. It's a wonderful combination of dark rum, which Kraken and ginger beer actually work really well together. And I'm very sad that Stumpy was not here to experience this because he would probably love this. It's not too sweet, it's not too bitter. It's kind of in the neutral zone. It's you taste mostly ginger beer with a little bit of a light taste of the black spiced rum. Now when you're thinking of dark rum, you probably wouldn't go for Kraken, you would probably go for like a spiced rum of like Captain Morgan, or maybe even white rum, to be honest. It's not dark rum, of course, because the recipe called for just rum in general. This ginger beer is Fever Tree Premium Ginger Beer. Here's the bottle for a look. But it comes out pretty well. It is very gingery. But I'm not against that. It's a relatively well pairing of ginger ale and Kraken, surprisingly. Even with just the little amounts of lime juice that you put in, it's just, I think it's wonderful. I think it's delicious. And honestly, I would probably make more of it. Sorry I'm not super into this video because I am drunk as all hell. this is what you get out of me, I guess. I was gonna go in and do stuff, but people called me and things were happening, and here we are. So I made the drink. No, it really came out really good. I would honestly drink this more times than I probably should out of all the times that I've drank anything else. I'll come back to this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.